On the line now from Sana'a, the capital, Mohammed Al-Qadi, foreign correspondent for the Abu Dhabi-based national newspaper. Mohammed, good to talk to you again. Before we talk about the situation in Taiz, what's happening right now there in Sana'a?
In Sana'a now it is calm compared with the last few days. On the war zone between the tribal leaders and the government. The committee from the government was supposed to go to the field today to remove the troops from there and also the militants, but it was not there according to tribal sources. Right now there are about more than 2,000 protesters. They are protesting in front of the house of the acting president. They are demanding him to establish a national transitional governing council. They are saying this is the second objective of the revolution after the departure of Saleh, and they have given him an ultimatum to announce this within 24 hours. Hundreds of those protesters, they have decided to have a sit-in there and to stay near the house of the acting president.
Okay, and briefly, what are your sources telling you about the situation in Taiz?
The situation in Taiz is very terrible. I have talked to the people there. Gunfire and shelling continued overnight and until early this morning. And according to the sources, that 3 civilians were killed and also 10 were injured, including children and women, because the Republican Guards, they have been using mortars and also tanks and shelling the areas randomly after the clashes with some gunmen in front or close to the presidential palace there in the town. They have also warned of this situation, and some thousands of people have started fleeing the city because of this low security situation, and because also the government has some gunmen. They are looting and they are doing some kind of some of these acts, and they are claiming that these are the gunmen supporting the protesters.
Yeah.
Also, one important issue is also the health situation. People have complained, and medics have warned of a health disaster in the city if the government doesn't move and remove the rubbish as well as the sewage in the streets.
Okay.